मॅडम आनीक एक इश्यू जाला पळय तो रिगार्डिंग दॅट प्रोजेक्ट जो येता पळय देवळा कडेन तो प्रोजेक्टाचो इश्यू जाला तो तेका केन्ना लायसन्स केन्ना दिलेलें आनी कितलो तेंप जालो
Okay. This license of Worldwide, the second topic which have been issued is Worldwide Resorts and Entertainment Private Limited. Okay. This was issued in 2023. This was in somewhere in March, I think only 2023. Okay. License was issued as per technical clearances. Okay. Again, I'm saying, I'm being very clear. It's not without any this. What is that? It is not that Panchayat is issued directly. It is with all technical clearances. All जे पण त्यांची permissions लागता ते घेऊन त्यांनी apply केले पंचायतीक and it was given with that. After that now there is a they say there is a this going on that there is a violation in that, right? Who is responsible for this violation? The person who is constructing. Okay. How can you blame Panchayat that Panchayat has allowed them to do those violations? I am closed my this. I have taken permission. You have taken permission from me to do a certain thing. Okay. If you go out of that preview, how is Panchayat to blame for that? And how am I to ascertain? I am not again a technical body. How am I to ascertain that what he has done is out of the preview?
So after,
my license.
After 23, तुम्ही म्हणजे 23 and तेका हें दिलेलें.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
After that तुमका कितें येयलेलें any application stating that थिंगा कितें violation चलता?
No.
Somebody had complained you before.
No.
Even till now.
No. Then I think in last month yes, there was one. March and
The local आणि
because he's
local and complained regarding that project.
ते कोण राव पी होते
खंयचे?
हल्दिया राव पी कोण
तेंचे residents
Residents in Nagilia, they had complained regarding that project.
Yes. They were the initial person I think who has complained.
Okay.
And I think we have sent this letter that so I cannot
because it is
sure.
okay.
But we have sent this to WRD to ascertain whether any means gross irregularities have taken place or not.
Okay.
There is no clarity given from any government body up till today. No report come to my office stating that what they are doing is wrong or out of the preview of my license. Okay, if I get anything stating, that is documentary evidence. I'm talking about. If I get any documentary evidence stating that what they have done is out of my license preview, and we have this TCP revokes that license, we will also revoke the same. Action will be taken, but it's not that without any documentary evidence you come and you say anything. That's what I'm saying. You bring documentary evidence, you show me that this is the thing. We have revoked this license based on this. You also will revoke it. Why not?
So after that time तुम्ही म्हणजे तेंचे रेजिडेंट कोण आहा तेणी कंप्लेंट केल्या उपरांत तुम्ही मागीर कितें हें केलां इन्स्पेक्शन मध्ये तें
No inspection was done because see again I said I'm not a technical body. What was their complaint that the digging was that some this what is that?
डीप गेले नव्हते
Yeah.
त्यांचे उदक ते त्यात जोरे होतात
That's what they are saying. Understood, no? But how am I to ascertain that those are real springs or that is
So
something
you are
else?
going to the WRD.
Yes.
On that base, you have to
To the departments. Okay. Concerning departments, we have returned.
But
there is
report काय म्हणा?
no report has come, no reply has come from their side. The moment any reply comes and they say that yes, some gross means irregularities have taken place there, and you all have a right to revoke their license, you will surely do it. Why not? Okay.
Thank you.
One more thing here is that once in that candlelight vigil, there was one thing going on is that opposition, our this two members, two panchayat members, but at the time of this what is that issue of worldwide, one member was present in this meeting. No objection was placed for the fortnightly meeting. No objection was placed, and subsequently to after that, no objection for the past 2 years have been raised by any of them.
So into 23,
From 23 to 24 to 25. No subsequent, what is that? Objections have been raised again and again by them to me or to our panchayat body or to my members that this is wrong or that we are against it or that anything that. But yesterday suddenly they came out and spoke over this, which I feel
the same.
it was not in a panchayat meeting also. It was not brought to us that no, we are completely against this. We do not want this happening. I said do it in that meeting. Do it in our meetings.
तो त्या एका फोर्टनाइटली मिटिंगात तुमका काहीच ऑब्जेक्शन कोणाचे
ना,
इवन प्रेझेंट आली म्हणतात.
Yes, one member was present. One member was present.
So same member had he spoke last night.
What?
Regarding that project.
He did not spoke, but he was along with him.
He along with
Yes.
So the board has officially never complained about that.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. In the past 2 years, there have been no official complaints from their side.
दोन्ही मेंबर
Yeah, understood.
फिनिंग कुछ करूंगा
Yeah.
मागीर आमचे हे मारिया तेच्या ऑफिसान करेक्शनाक गेल्ले आधार कार्ड
Yes.
एमएलएचे तेन्ना तेणी तेका पयलीं विचारलें लायसनाक लागून विचारलें तेणी लायसन लागना म्हणून मारियान तेन्ना हांव जाणा मारियान म्हाका फोन केलो मारियान सांगलें तेका हांवें लायसन दिलां न्हू पूण आमचें काय करना आमी ऑफिसान आयले मारियान खरें सांगता आमी दोगांय
त्या
ऑफिसान
टायमार ऑफिस
So
Yeah.
officially, no
Then-
budget object for that project.
Yes.
तेन्ना
That's what I'm saying.
मारियान एमएलएक सांगलेलें हांव जाणा म्हाका थंयच्यान तेच्या ऑफिसान रावन तेणी फोन केलो आनी तेणी
No, no.
सांगलें तेका इन्फॉर्म केल्लें तुका जाता तूं जाल्यार तूं ऑफिसान घाल न्हू तूं कर पण तेच्या उपरांत आनी तेच्या उपरांत कांयच केलें ना
No, nothing given from the ML.
You are the first member of that.
ना एक्चुअली तो आता
Clarify
पयलो
on that
म्हाजो
also.
आसलो तो.
Yesterday his name was
Word-
taken
हय,
for-
म्हाजो वर्ड आसलो तो पण आता फेज 2 आहा म्हणटा ती सगळी नाव शिकाल
No.
So actually, that
So-
part which is happening is not his word also.
No, it is not in your ward.
No, it
So
is
you are
in-
not a first member of that ward.
Yes.
ना फुल फेज 2 तेका घाला फेज 5 म्हाका घाला
Yeah.
म्हणजे या टर्मा
या term.
त्याच्या पयलीं आसली ती म्हाका
Yeah. So at present you are not a
आता
part.
सध्या ती वॉल कन्स्ट्रक्ट जातात
हय.
आणि प्लस प्रोजेक्ट येतात
हम्म.
तो तुझ्या वाड्यान नामता
ना
ना.
फेज 2
So if you are to the this now say this.
Now she.
फुल फेज 2 ते साइड
So I think
So,
the name of
Dipali.
it now.
Dipali.
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 Okay.
Yes.
So it is come under Dipali.
Yes.
हय फेज 2 म्हणलं फेज 2 ते साइड गेली
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
Thank you.